Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mohamed Adzhar with matrix number 64868, and I will be representing our group for our formal methods project. This is our group member details: Sarah Elena Binti Zamizan, Mohamed Iz'aan Fahmi bin Badrusam, Syed Muhammad Asyraf bin Hashim, and Allistair Nallie, anak Konsil. For this project, we have chosen the first one, which is My Rewards requirement. In essence, we have implemented the overall system by record, which contains 3 classes in total, which is class MyReward, the overall system of the application, class user to get the user details, and class date, which defines the elements of the dates. In our project, we have implemented class user, which defines the user details such as user ID, username, and user's phone number. Besides that, we have also defined the current internet details for each user, which shows the reload status, the expiry date, the current internet data left, its data usage, and its duration for the internet data. In order to get the value of the users in the system, we have implemented each variables in the operation to do various functions for MyRewards application. For class date, we have defined the day, the month, and the years for this project. In the operation, we have implemented variables to return the day, to return the month, and to return the year. Besides that, we also did an operation to compare the current date with another date and check whether the current date exceeds the other date. Check whether the year exceeds the other date's year, and if the year is the same, check if the current month exceeds the other date's month, and if the month is the same, check the day. In class MyReward, we have defined the details of the user's reward data and the details of the user. We have assigned both variables of user to new class user and date to new class date. This is the definition for the reward. For the user reward data, it maps the user to the reward data. For the first part of the project, to capture the user details and to map user to rewards data, we use the defined variables and type from class user to set user details to capture the ID, their name, and their phone numbers. And we have also assigned the user reward data to map user to the reward. For the second part of the project, if there are rewards after the user reloads their internet data, the system will add the reward amount to the data left and will extend according to their reward. The data left from a user will be added to the reward amount, and the system will set a duration along with the reward time extension. After that, a message will be prompted to the users when they have received a reward. For the third part of the project, we wrote a specification whereby we can search the details of the user, and if the ID of the user exists in the reward system, then it will return the current internet usage, the reward, the duration left, and the data left for the specific ID of the user as implemented in this operation. For the final part of the project, to remove the internet data after a user reward is expired, we have modeled a specification by using class date, where we have an operation to check the current date. If it exceeds the user expiry date, then the system will update the user reward data and the internet data, such as data left, duration, data usage, reward amount, and time extension to 0. That's all from us. Thank you.